Randy here with USA One Industries. Got a 1986 Chevrolet truck here. It's a short bed fleet side, and we've got a product here to help you guys repair the bed sides on these trucks. So we used to be able to get a complete bed side, but the manufacturer that was making those is no longer making them. So we've just got patch panels at this point. This is your partial bedside patch panel, and it actually does the majority of the bedside, as you can see here. I've got put a ruler on it, and you're right past 60 inches, so 60 1/4 as far as the length on this one. It goes all the way down to the bottom and wraps underneath as far as a complete replacement there. So any kind of rust in this area here, it will completely take care of that. It's got your indention here that gives the complete line there where the inner structure comes down. So you've got all of that complete. So as far as an easier way to fix one of these bedsides, this is about the easiest and best product that we've got. You can find it on the website at usa1industries.com, and we've got them labeled 73 to 87 partial bedside panel.